Need to make a video but don't have a script ready? Let me show you how to do it with Pictory's Idea to Video feature. First, click on Text to Video in the dashboard, then choose the option called Idea to Video. Select your video type, and now all you need to do is type in a short idea or a few keywords. You can also select a desired platform and video length. For example, if I type tips for staying productive at work, Pictory will automatically generate a complete script for me. If you look at this bar on the bottom, you can make quick edits, like shorten, lengthen, rephrase, or change the tone. You can even ask AI to improve your script. Pretty cool, right? Once you're happy with the script, select a video format, add a brand if you have one, and then click on Generate Video. You will then have the option to select one of our new curated layout themes, or you can go ahead and select No Layout. Pictory will then instantly turn your script into a video, breaking it up into scenes and matching your script with relevant visuals. From here, you can fully customize your video. You can swap out visuals, you can change the text in the storyboard or in the scenes, or add branding like your logo and colours. You can also make your video even more engaging by choosing background music or by adding a voiceover. If you don't want to record your own, Pictory has built-in AI voices provided by ElevenLabs that you can use. You can then preview your video to check everything looks good and sounds good. Once you're happy, just hit download. In a few minutes, your video is ready to download and share on social media, your website, or wherever you need it. And that's it. With Idea to Video, you can turn a simple idea into a professional video in no time. Try it out for free today at pictory.ai.